The competitive exams that our children need to give are important, but they bring a lot of stress. There are more than 50% of the children who feel a lot of anxiety because of the stress and the competitiveness that they feel these exams bring in. And there are lots of other issues that are seen as well. There are a lot of eating disorders, sleep disturbances, depressive episodes that a child gets stuck with because they don't know how to handle the stress. The stress around this also comes from parents because they're expecting their children to do well. There is a feeling their children should be always on the top. Much higher expectations than what their children can manage becomes another stress factor. All this put together brings a lot of stress hormone, which is called cortisol, running in the children's bodies. So much so that the stress becomes unmanageable and the learning center gets shut and it becomes counterproductive. So however hard they work, if there is more stress running in their bodies, there is no way that they can do well. And this is something a lot of parents and children don't understand. So managing stress is one of the most important things for doing well in any of these exams.